What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. No, we're enjoying some good old chicken. I know it looks like that was just messed up, but yeah, it is chicken, I can assure you guys, and I am eating it. And we also got some good old fresca. But let's hop into this video, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to make protein pancakes. Easy, low calorie, high protein, delicious way to make protein pancakes. Let's go. Alright, get yourself a bowl and a scale. And yes, I just used this bowl, so it is a little bit dirty, but I don't really care. I'm going to use it anyways to shoot this video. 2 grams of baking soda, 2 grams of magic baking powder. That's 4 grams in total. Now 2 grams of salt. 3 to 7 of these Splenda things, depending on how sweet you want it. I got the Splenda one I'm using. Just any 0-calorie sweeteners will work. That's what you want to be using. Put those in. Now 1 gram to 2 grams of xanthan gum, depending on how thick you want it. I usually do 1.5 grams, but you can do whatever you want in between 1 to 2 grams. Then you need 10 grams of whatever pancake mix you want. It can be a protein pancake mix or just regular stuff that I use. It's not high calorie or anything, just normal pancake mix. Krusty's brand, get it from Costco, nice and cheap. 10 grams of that. If you want more protein, you can also use a protein powder instead. I just find this helps give it a better texture, and you're already getting tons of protein from the egg whites and the Greek yogurt. Alright, now that we're done the dry ingredients, you're going to want to add your wet ingredients. So first up, we got 500 grams of egg whites. You can use whole eggs if you want, but it's going to be a lot more calories, so I just use egg whites. This is actually 500 grams, so I'm just going to pour this entire thing in right from Costco. These cartons are only like $2 at Costco, guys. So go ahead and start shopping at Costco if you are trying to build your physique up and eat well. It's going to be much cheaper at Costco. I don't know why I shook that so long. As you can see, this stuff's like literally all protein. Alright, second last ingredient, Greek yogurt. You're gonna need about 300 grams of this stuff. Alright guys, now that I got the yogurt in there, this is the last ingredient. Now this isn't a necessary ingredient, but you can add it if you want. Just some no-calorie syrup. If you're bulking, you can just use regular syrup. This is hazelnut flavor, 0 calories. Of course it probably has some, maybe like 3. Just a little bit. It's just gonna add flavor, really, is what it's gonna do. Not really much else. Now we get a whisk and we whisk it all together. Guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you make the pancakes. I'm sorry I didn't film myself eating them. I was just in a rush, and honestly they were so good that I just forgot to film myself eating them because I was just so focused on eating them because they were so good. But guys, without further ado, please make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, because it seriously helps me out. It'll help you out because you'll get more protein, low calorie recipes and tips for staying on your diet and losing fat and building muscle. Peace out, guys.